Hello my friends, welcome to Pro Strings. I'm Henriette and today we're playing Ecossaise by Beethoven from the Fiddle Time Runners book. Now Ecossaise is written in the key of G major, so I suggest we refresh our memory of how the G major scale goes again. We're playing every note twice with long bows and we're playing it 2 octaves, so we're starting on the open G string and we're going all the way up to the second finger on E. Here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Let's play the G arpeggio now. We're playing every note once with a long bow and then we'll play the whole arpeggio over twice. 1, 2, 3. There you go. What are the letter names of the notes of the arpeggio? I know my pupils would know the G major arpeggio letter names, hopefully, superbly well. G, B, D, G, B, D, G. And you can wonder why you would learn the arpeggios and the scales together with the pieces. And that is done because most pieces consist of sections of the scales and sections of the arpeggios. So you can imagine if you're already good at playing the scales and the arpeggios, it makes your pieces easier. It's a matter of spotting those patterns in your music now, and this piece has got lots and lots of scale and arpeggio patterns, and I will point them out to you as we go along. So let's play this piece through from the beginning, shall we? I'm canvassing for 2 crotchets. 1, 2. see straight away that you've got a G and a B right here at the beginning. And those are all notes out of the G major arpeggio. GBD we said were the letter names. So you go, they're just a little bit shuffled here and not in the order that you would expect them in, but nevertheless they are the notes of the arpeggio. So let's play the first 4 bars, shall we? And shall we do that again? Make it really, really strong. So strong bowing there. And now you get a scale section. But the scale at the beginning has just been mixed up a little bit with the notes. It's sort of part of an arpeggio and part of the scale. But there, especially in bar 7, you can clearly see how the G major scale is used to make up this piece. Let's practice the Quaver section once again, shall we? 1 and 2 and... Okay, now let's practice fingers 1 and 4 on the A string like this. Because you want to have a very strong 4th finger there to be able to play this. Okay, let's do that bar 3 times in a row, shall we? And again, and one more time, and okay, now we'll play the whole Quaver section, and that brings us to a repeat of the beginning, that arpeggio again. Now, when we get to bar 17, we're going to go a lot softer, okay? So let's make it very nice and contrasting. 1, 2. Bar 17 and 18, I've put a little accent on bar 18 the first quaver, and bar 20 the first quaver, and bar 22 the first quaver. So whenever you see quavers at the start of a bar, put a little accent on them. It just structures the music really nicely. So you get it like this. Can you hear that? That just makes your music really sweet and easy to follow for the listener. So let's pick it up from bar 17 again, and let's practice that, and we'll go up to bar 23 and then we'll just pause. 1, 2. Yes, that's lovely. Now bar 23 is a bit special, because at first we have the 2nd finger on the A string where it is low, and then we get the 2nd finger on the D string where it is high. So watch out and give clear instructions to your fingers to go in the right places. Let's do 23 again. And again the same bar. One more time. Now make it perfectly in tune. Ooh, very nice. Lovely play. Let's pick it up now again from bar 17, and we'll go all the way through to the end. 1, 2. going to put it all together again, and we're going to make it dance even more by putting in the dynamics. So we're starting off loud, and then when you get to the quaver section, it becomes a little bit quieter. Remember, go a little bit quieter than mezzo forte, so that you create a very clear contrast between the loud playing and the softer playing. The softer you go on the quavers, the bigger crescendo you can make in bar 8. So let's go really quiet in bar 5. And so you keep going on, alternating the loud playing and the soft playing until you get to bar 17. And in bar 17, I want you to make it super special. So you're going to go as quiet as you possibly can, and putting the nice accents in like we talked about before, but the accents should be within the range of the piano that you're playing. Now then you can see you go a little bit louder in bar 23, then back down to the soft playing, and so you create a big crescendo towards the end. So go quite quiet on the last line. The more quiet you get, the more range you allow yourself towards the crescendo at the end. At the end you might also slow the piece down a little bit. It's just nice to round it off beautifully. Right, from the beginning, here we go, and we're going to go a little bit faster this time. After 2. 1, 2. Well done, super progress today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please write about it in the comments section below. Feel free also to share this video with your friends if you like, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Goodbye.